recording session, so we were trying to find out which song fits the album. So, but by the fourth week, we were able to to put them together.
So are you involved in
Yeah, yes. A couple of the songs from the 12 tracks was actually, I collaborated it with them.
How was it working with Rico Blanco?
Rico Blanco, of course, it's an honor. He's one of the musical genius of the Philippine music industry. So
What's your
I'm
input,
so honored.
to the song? Ano yung input mo dito?
Actually, nothing. Nothing. I just went to the studio to record my part. But all the intellectual, yung invention was his, not mine.
Do you also have a business?
I'm planning and dreaming to have one, but not at the moment because I'm very busy with my gig with church.
Paglabas ng album, pwede ba expect ng mga Filipino mas dadaan yung buong band dito?
I think so. We are talking about it. I think kasama ang Philippines and then Japan, and we're trying to consider Hong Kong and Singapore for our Asia stuff.
Do you think na you're more adjusted na rin kahit paano sa demand, lahat?
The traveling and the gigs,
And everything.
you can never be adjusted talaga, Rolly. It's because every time it's always new to you talaga. Kasi nga yung mga tao who comes, and then it's very unpredictable yung pag-travel talaga. You'll never know kung kailan ka mapapagod.
Reaction na lang medyo, mga Pilipino ngayon ay kilala tayo worldwide sa music, especially. Anong take mo doon, yung reaction?
I think it's about time, no? Actually, long overdue na tayo eh. Even back in the 70s, ang dami-dami na nating great talent. Talaga lang hindi tayo nabigyan ng right opportunity, same as the American talents are enjoying from the very beginning there.
Thank you.